And of course, let's have a little review for the project Basilio. How many square meters, Architect Dave? It's 40. Palakpakan naman natin 40. So, malapit ng Christmas. Anyway, let's call on our Chief Sales Officer to render some messages. No other than Chief Sales Officer Danny Albajeso. And beforehand, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it from our dear homeowner. Kung sino po ang magsasalita po sa iyo, sir. Saan ganun lang, oh?
Wala na po akong magagawa. Tinuro na po tayo. Just like an Abigan soldier. Maraming salamat po sa pag-welcome sa amin. Well, this is a realization ng aming pangarap na magkaroon ng pangalawang bahay away from our home. Thank you, Bastano, for making it possible for us. Matagal na namin itong inasam after so many tries, nag-fail. Sana naman this time wala nang glitches, so to speak. And ngayon pa lang po, nagpapasalamat na ako. And in advance, I am inviting you over to grace the blessing sooner pag natapos ka. Thank you. Pasensya na, impromptu. Hindi ako nakapaghanda. Hindi pa nakapaghanda yun. Buti na lang nasanay ko tayong magsalita sa mga sa trabaho natin.
There you have it. Thanks so much.